Hi, I'm Corey with Rad Power Bikes. Welcome to the latest episode of Rad Tech, the series where we help Rad owners install, assemble, adjust, and replace parts and accessories on their e-bikes. In today's episode, we'll be explaining how to adjust your front suspension fork. Most of the e-bikes by Rad Power Bikes have a suspension fork at the front of the bike. These can serve as a shock absorber to minimize the impact of small obstacles like potholes or rocks in the road or trail. The suspension fork comes with two control mechanisms to allow riders to choose the ride feel that they like best: lockout and preload adjustment. Locking out the fork creates more of a rigid feel, which translates to a predictable, consistent ride with more efficient pedaling, depending on cargo and terrain conditions. When hauling cargo, a rigid fork can improve stability. Adjusting the preload changes the ride characteristics of the fork by changing the amount of compression on the spring when there is no load on the bike. This can make for a squishier, more comfortable ride when you're on a rough road or trail surface, or a firmer, more stable ride when on a smoothly paved road or carrying heavier cargo on the bike. To adjust the suspension fork, locate the adjustment controls on the top of the fork. To make the fork rigid, find the lockout knob on the top right side of the fork, or on the rider's right side when they're on the bike. To lock out the fork on the Rad Rover, Rad Mini, and Rad Mini step-through, turn the knob counterclockwise until it stops. To lock out the fork on the Rad City 16-inch, Rad City 19-inch, and Rad City step-through, turn the lockout knob clockwise until it stops. To adjust the preload, or initial compression of the spring, first ensure the fork is not locked out as a rigid fork. Then, using the knob on the top left side of the fork, or on the rider's left when they're on the bike, adjust the stiffness or softness by turning the preload adjustment knob. For all our suspension forks, turn the preload adjustment knob clockwise to stiffen, in the direction of the plus sign, and counterclockwise to soften, in the direction of the minus sign. It's that easy. Adjust your suspension fork so that it's just right for you, and we'll see you next time.